Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to buy crypto on Moomoo the right way. First, open a crypto account. Before you can start, please remember to update the app to the latest version. Go to the cryptocurrency page, tap on Trade, select Crypto, and then tap on the Next button. Finally, tap on Start Now to submit your application. The process will take 3 to 5 minutes to complete, as you can see right here. Once that is done, step 2, deposit your funds. Go to Accounts, then Deposit, then select Crypto account and select the preferred currency, select Transfer Method, and start the deposit process, as you can see right here. You can also transfer funds into your crypto account. Go to Accounts, select your crypto account, Transfers, select your preferred currency, and enter the amount, as you can see right here. After that, you can start trading. After completing the above steps, return to the detailed quotes page and click on Trade again. Alternatively, you may go to your crypto account, click on Trade, enter the cryptocurrency symbol to start trading. It's important to note that the cryptocurrency pair that you can trade depends on your region, and the trading hours depend on your local time. And the cryptocurrency you bought can be sold at any time of the day with no restrictions on frequency of intraday trading. And keep in mind of the cash withdrawal schedule depending on your region. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.